Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to verify PayPal account email. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.paypal.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of PayPal. So all you need to do is simply tap on the settings icon. So once you're in the settings section, you have to go and end up in the account section where you can find the email. There you can see that an email is unconfirmed, so tap on the three buttons, tap on the confirm option. Tap on confirm with Google, so you will receive a mail, or you need to simply choose this option and continue with your Google account. Once you're signed in with your Google account in your PayPal, your email will now get verified on PayPal as well. So after your email has been verified, you will get the confirmation as well, like you confirmed your email, and in this way you can verify your PayPal account email. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.